JH has a question here about the line between the machine learning engineer and data scientist. He's wondering, creating, managing model artifacts, using repository for this, model versioning, retraining. Is this the role of a ML engineer or a data scientist? How do ML engineers and data scientists work together? And when does the ML engineer take over? Or are they continuously working together? Because data scientists aren't often keen on software development or versioning.
Yeah, no, it's a great question. I think each organization works differently. So I can talk specifically from SurveyMonkey is few years ago, it used to be like, oh yeah, data scientists do all the model development. They give us the model artifact, and then they're like, okay, here you go, handoff. That did not work very well for us in the long run. And since then, we work together in tandem from the very beginning. Um, and that allows our data scientists to pick up on some software development. It allows our ML engineers to understand the model at a very, very low level. So that makes sure that um, we can know from the get-go, like, oh, actually, we don't have this data available in our feature store real time. Like it only gets populated once a day. So like, are you okay with that? Is that fine? And our data scientists know this, the requirements or the limitations up front, or like, oh yeah, we can't support a 15 layer neural net. We can only really support 10 layer ones at the moment. So, whatever you're looking to do, we can't do that. And because those conversations are happening earlier on, our data scientists know what the restrictions are. We know what the restrictions are. And from there on, we can really make sure that we don't have any um, like blockers that we didn't foresee kind of appearing. And as a result, to be specific, data scientists still are probably the leads on the model development, and ML engineers are more so the leads on the productionizing aspects. But there is definitely some crossover and more crossover that happens over time. And I would say that over time, I'd say I've gotten way more adept on the data science side of stuff, and our data scientists have become way more adept also on the software engineering side. They really know what's going on. And if anything were to happen to our services, I'm sure they'd be able to, be able to chip in and make sure things are running smoothly.